In this video, let's take a look at bringing in a Microsoft Project file. It turns out that you can integrate with Microsoft Project for the purposes of tracking time to project tasks. When you bring in an MPP file into Standard Time, you'll see all of the tasks that you were assigned to on your timesheet. If you log in as a different user, you may see different tasks that those users are assigned to. So after you've logged time, administrators can then send that time back to Microsoft Project. So to get started, I'm going to choose Tools, Projects, and then the Projects dialog opens up. I can then go to the Tools menu in that Project dialog and choose New Project and name the new project anything I like. So I'm going to name it the uninteresting name of MS Project. I can then go up to the Tools menu again and choose Microsoft Project Integration Wizard. So when I do that, a wizard comes open that allows me to then go and integrate with a Microsoft Project MPP file. I can then browse for that file, open it up, and here it's actually complaining about having a local hard drive path to the file, but this should be okay. This is just a test. So the next thing I'd probably want to do is test the connection to make sure that I can see all the tasks in that file. So when I do that, Microsoft Project opens up and I see all of the tasks listed here. They all look good to me, so I'll click Close, click Next again. You can either choose to have a bidirectional or a unidirectional connection to Microsoft Project. I'll choose bidirectional, and I'll also choose to map the work column in Microsoft Project to the standard time duration column. So I'll click Next again, then click Finish. The standard time will go out to Microsoft Project and pull down those tasks. And so when I click OK, I can then go over to the Project Tasks tab. I see my new project here, all of the tasks listed. Some of those are assigned to me, some are assigned to other users. But I'm going to check the Quick Task checkbox, and that causes those tasks to show up in the timesheet. So when I go over to the timesheet, open up the project, I then see the summary tasks and then the actual tasks that are assigned to me. I can then go and put in some hours for those tasks. I'm going to send this time back to Microsoft Project. So now that I've done that, I can go over to the View menu, choose Refresh Project Tasks. Now this is only available to administrators who want to send the actual work back to Microsoft Project. So I choose that, I see my project listed here, and then to send the time back to project, I click Refresh Now. So here we can see that the project file has been updated. I click OK, close this, and then I can go open my Microsoft Project file and see the results. So we see here that we have some actual work on those tasks that we had been working on in the standard timesheet. I'll close out of this Microsoft Project file, and that's essentially the round trip story for Microsoft Project files. You simply bring them in, integrate with them, log some time to them, and then go and refresh the project tasks to send the actual work back to Microsoft Project. So hopefully that helps a little bit.